HO slot cars it is once again. And this is similar to the others, a 2008 Ford Taurus stock car on a Super 3 chassis by Autoworld. This should be a real beauty going around the track. And we got a little more modern Camaro Wildfire. This is a 2021 ZL1 on an AFX Mega G Plus chassis by AFX Race Masters. Anyway, I'll be unpackaging them and putting them on the track. Well, there it is. Autoworld 2008 Ford Taurus stock car. And a 2021 Wildfire Camaro by AFX Race Masters on a Mega G Plus chassis. And this is on a Super 3 Autoworld chassis. So let's give them a spin. Around the HO slot cars it is track. Nice and smooth. Be fast. Alrighty. Let's put them over here and give the Wildfire a spin around the track on this Mega G Plus AFX chassis. I always like to try to start them off a little slow, and sometimes that's the way to get stuck on the crossover, but it's okay. Guys are fast. One thing though that's been a complaint about the newer AFX Mega G Plus cars. They're great cars, super quick, as you can see, but the bodies are a little wider in today's 1/64 scale HO size, and as you can hear, that sound is the body of the car rubbing against the guardrails. Other than that, this car is fantastic. So there you got it. 2021 Z1 Wildfire Camaro and the 2008 Ford Taurus stock car. Autoworld, AFX Race Masters. HO slot cars it is.